Hi, today I'd like to show you how to play the Beast of Burden lick by the Rolling Stones. Very cool jam lick. I'd also like to show you the scale to jam with it, actually. So I'll play it and then I'll show it to you. I'm tuned to open G, G, D, G. Pretty straightforward. You got to move around a little bit, but it's not hard. So start over here with my second finger on the middle string on 9 and my first finger on 8. And then I hammer on to the 9 here. That's 9 and 8 at the same time, hammer to 9. Then you hit that twice. Then you go over here to a power chord on 4 and 6. Like that. I'll try to do that slow. Okay, that's the first part. Once you get that, you go up here to the 9th fret, make a little bar, B-A-R-R-E, some kind of accent on there. That just means that you're covering more than one string. We're going to cover the middle and the high string. And we're going to hammer down on the middle string 2 frets higher, which would be 11. Like that. And then you can use your little finger if it's strong enough, or you can jump up with your 3rd finger and you can play 14 and 14 on the middle and high string. Right? You can use your 2nd finger here, and then you have to hardly move your hand. As a matter of fact, down here, that part there, if you're willing to, you can use your 3rd and your 2nd and your little finger. As you see, it makes everything a little more accessible and a little less jumping around. I didn't do it that way to begin with because some people have trouble with their little finger, especially when they're starting. Although this isn't really a starter lick, is it? Okay, now the scale. We're going to use E major pentatonic. 2nd fret, E, middle string. 4th fret, F sharp. 6th fret, G sharp. Jump over to the next string. We have B, C sharp. That was our chords. And then the last note, E. On the 9th fret. That's basically our scale. Now of course you can go past here, same way, just follow the same pattern. Whole step, another whole step, 3 steps, and then probably running out of room. So I'll jam with it a little bit, because I made a little loop at the beginning there, and just show you what happens. Alright, that was just me jamming along there. And no, I'm not going to write those licks out or anything, because you should make up your own. Just use the scale, and unlike a blues, which really sort of suits licks more than scales, blues isn't really scale music. This particular sort of vamp does suit a scale. So working up and down through the scale is actually a really good way to practice it. And of course you can figure out where all the other notes are, but I didn't want to make it too complicated. So have a great day and I hope you have a lot of fun with that. Bye.